Um, I just want to thank Marriage Helper for doing this. I feel very honored as well to be part of this first online. Um, so, for me, it's really helped me being able to see the tools in which you've created. Those tools have allowed me to look internally and understand myself and how then I can apply myself to help my family. It was a big thing that I was missing and I wasn't able to understand how to do. Um, and so between um, many of the different tools that you've provided, it's been incredible. It's been a wonderful eye opener. So thank you for that.
Yeah, I would say this is probably one of the most transformative weekends that I've ever had. And, we went into it thinking we're going to get tools for our marriage, but we got tools for ourself, our parenting, our relationships, and how to move forward with some things. I know you said you don't deal with childhood issues and stuff, but a lot of that forgiveness, if there's unresolved stuff from childhood that is affecting the marriage, um, those steps in there and those tools in there are, I think, going to be invaluable for us as we work through some of past trauma. So I'm
Yeah.
very grateful, very grateful. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.